3. Oh, phenomenal move in the offensive end. Answered the call there. Scores! The captain comes through!
Oh, there's the first goal of the series, James. You want to take the lead, you want to play with it. They've got the upper hand.
And a nice poke check inside the neutral zone. And he slides it quickly to Stone. Scores! Bright lights! Big time goal in Sin City!
So many ebbs and flows to a playoff series. It's kind of nice to get the first goal. Give your team the upper foot here early on.
Minnesota's on the attack. And he regains control of the puck. He scores!
I like the way they stayed aggressive here, James. After scoring once, they didn't just settle the game down. They went after it again. Well, that screen looked like it was just about perfect, didn't it? He doesn't even react as this puck goes by him. The goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
They've got the defense outnumbered. Scores!
Now, when I was playing at home, I loved if we could get on the board first. It really makes you feel like you can throw 4 or 5 into the net. Man, he's dancing through the team here. Great moves, and then he lays one over. It's a beaut, and his teammate gets the hammer at home.
Passes it to Garland. They go on the attack through center. To his teammate. Scores! Well, that was quick.
It's good to be a homer. You're at home. Be a good home team. That's one way to do it. They're going to love the way this goal played out on the odd man rush. They got out into the open ice, moved the puck quickly, and were able to finish it off.
Los Angeles has it in the defensive end. What a move into the offensive zone. Scores! The Kings get one!
When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it. And when he dropped, he also dropped his stick. Now he's got to collect himself. Looks like a yard sale out there.
Scores! It's a shark attack!
Man, that's nice. Really good puck work. They got out into the open ice on the odd man rush. Move it quickly, and they're going to finish it off nicely.
Anaheim's got the puck along the boards. Here's a short pass. Scores! There's an Anaheim goal!
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.